Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Karanya. What are you doing?
Rehan is behind. Rehan is behind you.
Yes, he's
I
there.
can see him.
Now you can see him clearly. How was your class, everyone? How's your
Ma'am, it was nice.
How are your classes going on? I should ask. Huh?
Good morning.
Good morning, Ara.
Good afternoon.
You're having fun in your online class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, because teacher is not there to scold you. You can do whatever you want. Whenever you feel hungry, you can turn off your mic and the camera. You can go and eat, munch on something, right?
Ma'am, is it PD or English literature?
We'll do a little bit of PD and then we'll have English literature. What Mahira would say? I didn't get you. The period is of PD.
Yes, ma'am.
So you don't want to study. Okay. Little bit, please. Okay. Children, I'm posting. Last time I told you that in your PD class we'll have your declamation competition. So I am posting the topics. You can prepare any one of the topics.
Ma'am, how much time do we have?
I've posted the topics in your WhatsApp group. So children, these are the topic: celebrating Earth Day, why it matters. You know why it is important to celebrate Earth Day? The role of vaccines in fighting diseases. You have got so many vaccines. We got corona vaccine also. If you see your this pediatric record, where vaccination record you have got a booklet on which you have marked on this date I got this vaccination. Why these vaccinations are important? Third topic is the benefits of online learning. Why wearing masks is important? How we can help animals affected by natural disasters. Whenever there is a calamity, there is an earthquake, there are floods, there is a thunderstorm, we humans can always run, escape from that place most of the time. But the animals, they are trapped. They cannot move from that place. So what as we human beings can do to help them? The impact of climate change on our planet. What is the effect of global warming and everything on our planet? And the importance of mental health. Why is it important to stay happy, chirpy, healthy, physically and mentally? How is it important? Okay, your topic timing for your declamation is 1 minute. So you should speak for at least 1 minute. Yes, Arohi?
Ma'am, do we have to say about all of them or only one topic?
Any one of them, bacha.
Okay.
Anyone. I have given.
Sorry. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Arav.
Ma'am, why have we sent like celebrating why it matters, the role of vaccines, fighting diseases?
So we should say good morning, Arav Khanduri, because you missed on the first part. That in your upcoming PD sessions, We will have declamation competition, speech.
Ma'am, what is declamation?
Speech. You have to deliver a speech. You have to
Okay, ma'am.
express your views. I
Ma'am,
have
on the
given you a
topic
list of
number.
topics. Arav, I have given you a list of topics. You can prepare any one of them. Time limit is 1 minute. What is Abhiraj
Ma'am,
doing?
now. Ma'am,
What is
now.
Abhiraj doing?
Ma'am, now. Ma'am, now.
Abhiraj was, I think he was listening to music. He was dancing also. Cheater, cheater, what were you doing?
I got
Okay. So tomorrow, children, tomorrow, Arav, just 1 second, bacha. Tomorrow in the PD class, you should be at least prepared that, ma'am, I want to speak on this topic. And you should have some points with you. I'm not telling you to learn, since tomorrow you have your maths exam also. So I am not telling you to learn, but you should be prepared that, yes, ma'am, I want to speak on this topic. I have got these points with me, and then you will write your script. Am I clear?
Ma'am, first can we write in our PD copies and then tomorrow can we
Advitya, where is your video?
Ma'am,
I'm not
can we
able-
see copy of tomorrow
Can
by
we?
writing?
Can we?
Ma'am, can we?
Shh.
Ma'am, can we see from the notebook by writing the speech?
You can take help from the books, newspapers, magazines, your own thoughts. You can take that. But while delivering your speech, please don't look into your script and read. You have to express your views, right? Okay, now children, Karunya. Now, very important. Abhiraj, stop playing. Very, very important, children. On Saturday, I collected your notebooks for correction. Yes? Half of the children are not attending the class. Out of
Ma'am,
those
how?
children, the names of the children that I'm going to take right now, you are requested to please complete your work. Abhiraj, Divyansh, Jhalak, Mahira, Mufazzal, Shreyansh. Only there may be rest of the students also, but I have got notebooks of very less students for correction, and somewhere or the other, I don't know why you have left one page in between, one question in between, some word meaning, some here and there. Children, please don't do like this. Don't submit your work like that. Okay, everything is done in the class. Everything. Starting from your dictation words to word meanings, everything is done in the class. Please don't do like that, leaving your things here and there. Okay, if it is left in the class, your one question or 2-3 word meanings, please go home and finish them. Just because, sometimes you come nowadays, what is happening? You are going for the practice. And my English period falls exactly after your activity period. So sometimes you take time to come back to the class, adjust, have some water, go to the washroom. By that time, the rest of the class was already present. They have done half of the work. Okay, so that is the only reason. You all are very, very good children. You all finished your work on time. But just because you people are coming late from the activity because of the preparations going on, sometimes you skip on some part of the question. But please take help. Either you can ask me, ma'am, please send me this question. I couldn't attend the class that time because I was in my practice. But don't leave it undone like that. Don't leave your notebooks with incomplete work, okay? Now, children, please be ready with your English literature books. The
On page
discussion.
number 38.
Okay, children, the discussion on the topic that I have given you, the topics that I have given you, we'll do tomorrow in the PD class. Now, please be ready with your English literature notebooks. I'll share the poem on the screen as well. Just give me 1 minute. By that time, you open your books on page number. Yes, Rihan, which page number?
38.
No.
On page number 38.
Yes, beta. Okay, now I'll be sharing the screen with you. You can see.
Notebooks are with you.
Beta, notebooks are with me.
Okay.
Okay. Can you see the screen, children? Can you see the screen, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Sehaj, are you
Yes,
there? Sehaj, are you there? Sehaj has
Yes, ma'am.
just. Where are you? Who is this now? Who has done this?
Anaya Pandey.
Don't do that, please, bacha.
Ma'am, I can't see the properly.
Okay, Sehaj, where are you, bacha? Sehaj is there. Sehaj, where is your camera? Sehaj, do front camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Front camera.
I'm starting my camera.
You have done the back camera. You must show me the book. I want front camera. I want to see you.
Okay, ma'am. Are you seeing me?
Yes. Sehaj, who's there with you in the room? Anybody else?
Ma'am?
Anybody else? Is there anybody else there with you in the room? Okay, after the class, please tell your parents to call me. After the
Okay, ma'am.
class, please tell your parents to call me, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. Okay. Now this very interesting poem we are going to start today. The title of the poem is Summer Sun. How is the sun? Okay, who will tell me the four seasons? You must have read about the seasons in SST also. Bhan.
Ma'am? Ma'am, are you seeing my face?
Yes, Lavanya.
Ma'am, the four seasons are winter, summer, autumn, and spring.
Okay, the four seasons, main seasons are summer, rainy, winter, spring. So you can have autumn. Autumn is also there, part of the seasons only. Every season has their own speciality, right? Summer seasons are known for?
Ma'am?
Yes, Neha.
Ice creams and AC. Actually, ice creams.
Okay, why ice cream? Why do we need AC and ice cream and all the cold things?
Ma'am, because it's very tasty and humid. Because it is very humid and hot.
Okay. Yes, because it is very hot and humid. So, beta, please mute yourself. I'll ask you. Children, please mute yourself. Okay, since it is very hot and humid, so anything which is cold always provide us relief, respite from the hot weather. Mahira wants to say something. Yes, bacha. Yes, Mahira.
Ice cream in the cold weather, in the hot weather to keep the ices away from the humidity.
Yes, it is also there. Okay, now your first question says, I think the sun is like dash because. Everybody, you have your own imagination. So what do you think the sun looks like to you? Everybody, write it, then we'll discuss. No discussion, no discussion. Take your pencils, write in your book. I think the sun is like dash because then we'll discuss. So the one who has written, can show me. Okay, Sehaj wants to say. Yes, Sehaj.
Mama, a big ball like a star.
Okay, like a star. Okay, he says, I think sun is like a big ball, like a star. Okay.
Star.
Anaya, sorry.
Ma'am, sun is like a beautiful star of the sky.
The sun is like a beautiful
star of the sky.
But that is there, no. Imagination. You have to imagine, Arav.
Ma'am,
I wrote that. Ma'am,
Arav.
I wrote that. Ma'am,
Yes.
I wrote that the sun is like a child and his gases are like children because are whole children because ma'am they don't know that sometimes in summer we feel hot.
You didn't get my. How come some? I think sun is a child.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think sun is a child because
Ma'am he doesn't know we feel hot in summers like we children do.
Beta, I didn't get your reason. Okay, I think sun is a child, but why? Why do you think sun is a child?
Ma'am, I told you, I think ma'am, sun is a child because ma'am, he doesn't know we feel hot in summer.
what?
Okay.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay. Yes. Okay. I'll ask everybody. Don't worry. Arohi. Devyansh, wait,
I think
bacha. Yes.
Ma'am, I think the sun looks like a laddu.
Okay. So Arohi says that sun looks like a sweet dish, a laddu, because
Mom, I think that because it's like in a circle shape and it looks very delicious for some reason.
okay, got it. Fine. Karunya.
Eating. Mom, it looks like a bundi ka laddu.
Okay, bundi ka laddu. Got it. Yes, Karunya.
Ma'am, sun looks like a uncle to me of some child.
How come sun looks like an uncle to you?
Because the moon is the
Why are
Because
you
of that sun looks like a
Karunya, you can turn off your mic and camera. You can munch on if you're feeling hungry. Okay, Daksh. Daksh.
Ma'am, the sun looks like a round samosa.
Okay, sun looks like a round samosa. How? Why? Because I have so many questions.
The samosa is also triangle shape.
That is I'm wondering. So Daksh has specified. I think it is a round samosa.
Ma'am,
sun
looks like a rasmalai.
Karunya, please turn off the video. Beta, see, you have to justify it also. This don't give me Imagination, you can imagine anything, but there should be a reason to it. Okay. Yes, Lavanya. I'm giving you. Lavanya.
sun look like a rasmalai.
No,
Ma'am,
beta, when
I think
I
the
am
sun
taking
is the
names.
main
Divyansh,
enemy
wait.
of
Yes.
the eye.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Lavanya.
I think the sun is the main enemy of the eyes because you can't look at the sun for more than 1 second or 2.
You think that sun is a
Main enemy for the eyes because you can't see at the sun for more than
Good.
1 or 2 seconds.
Very nice. Very good observation. So Lavanya thinks that sun is a big enemy of our eyes because we cannot look
ma'am.
at it straight away for long,
Ma'am,
or even
sun-
you cannot look at it. Yes, Rihan wants to say something. Yes, Rihan.
I think the sun is a giant mango because it is big and yellow.
Okay. He thinks now there's a mango season going on, so he finds everywhere mangoes are there. So he's looking that sun is a mango because it is bright and yellow in color. Okay, fine.
Ma'am,
Got it.
sun looks
Vimlesh.
like a rasmalai.
Sorry, what is his name?
Vihan.
Vihan.
Ma'am, a huge hot ball.
A huge hot ball. Why? Because.
Ma'am, because it gives us heat.
Okay. Divyansh.
Ma'am, a huge ball of fire.
A huge ball of fire. Okay. So I
Ma'am,
got
it is
all
red
interesting answers from you all. Now let's give it a
Ma'am,
quick
can I
read and I'll explain you the meanings as well. Mm. Okay, so who is the poet? What is the name of the poet?
Robert
Louis Stevenson.
Stevenson.
Okay. He's a Scottish novelist, poet, essayist, and a travel writer. Who is a travel writer? Who goes to different places and write about those things. So let's give it a quick read. And I have told you how to find out the rhyming device. Get it from here. Rhyming device. Okay. Great is the sun and wide he goes through the empty heaven with repose. And in the blue and glowing days, more thick than rain he showers his rays. Bacha, एक minute. Okay. Great is the sun and wide he goes through empty heaven with repose. And in the blue and glowing days, more thick than rain, he showers his rays. Though closer still the blinds we pull to keep the shady parlor cool, yet he'll find a chink or two to slip his golden fingers through. The dusty attic spider clad, he through the keyhole made glad, and through the broken edge of tiles into the laddered haze of smiles. Meantime, his golden face round, he bars to all the garden ground and sheds a warm and a glittering look among the ivy's inmost nook. Now here, if you go for the simple description, what is happening in the poem, the poet is telling us about a sun, the sun specifically in the summer season, when it is shining at its full glory. It is very bright, it is very hot outside. He's describing one particular day when the sun is out shining brightly in the sky, and how its rays reaches every part of this earth. Be it covered, you close the curtains, you draw the curtains, you pull down the blinds, you do everything. Wherever the rays will find the place to seep in through, it will reach and will bring light into everybody's life. Here, through this poem, the poet wants to tell you that these natural forces, these are the blessings of God. These blessings of God does no partiality. They have no favorite. That, you know, this country is my favorite. I'll shine with my full glory in this, on this, and not the other ones. Or this child or this person is my favorite. I'll give all my blessings to this person and not to the other. It is not like that. It doesn't matter. The place doesn't matter to the sun rays. The people, they don't matter to them. You're rich or poor, they don't matter. You are you have got what complexion, it doesn't matter. It shows that for God, we all are equal. And his blessings will always find a way to reach us. It might take some time to reach to us. You know, sometimes when we are in trouble, we say, why God is not helping me? God helps everybody. Why God is not helping me? We are full of so many complaints when we are in trouble. But my dear children, every problem has a solution, and you have to look for the solutions. You have to look for that blessings. You have to look for that ray of hope. This message is conveyed through this simple, very simple poem, that sun rays, they come from the heaven. It appears as if they are coming from the heaven because they come very far from the sky. And during the summer season, the rays are so bright and strong that they appear more powerful than the rains, also the showers also. So here he also says that whatever we try, we draw the curtains, we hide somewhere, but the sun rays, they always reach to every place on this earth, bringing shine, happiness, warmth, you know, glory to that place. This is what is being described in this poem. Now let us go line by line, okay? First, keep pencils in your hand, children. Great is the sun, and wide he goes. Here, great means it is very big. It is very big at his heart. It is very big in size also. And wide he goes. Wide he goes means you can see sun. It is approachable throughout the earth. Every place on the earth may not be for every day, but every place once in a while can see sun. So great is the sun and wide he goes. That means sun is everywhere. Through empty heaven with repose. So he's saying that from it appears as if he is coming down, he's showing or he's blessing us from the heaven, and he's very big, he's very mighty, he's very powerful, but yet he's very calm. Repose means calm, patient. There is no hurry. It takes its own time to reach, to travel that distance from the space to the earth and give blessings to everyone present on the earth. And in the blue and glowing days. Why blue? Because when the sky is very clear, the sky appears as if it is blue. Glowing days, when the days are all bright and shiny in the summer. More thick than rain, he showers his rays. When it is raining heavily outside, we say it's raining cats and dogs, the showers, the rains are very thick. It is very difficult to go out or see something, right? And similarly, during the summers, when it is bright and sunny outside, you can see the rays, they are as thick as the showers. It means that you cannot see the things clearly. It is so bright that you cannot open your eyes. Since you cannot open your eyes fully, so the vision is little blur. Yes, somebody has a doubt here in the first stanza, bache.
Mom,
Okay, I think we will continue with this in the next teaching period. It is going to end in the next 10 minutes. The class is about to end in next 10 minutes. First, I'll take the doubt. Somebody had a doubt. Yes, Arohi?
Washroom.
Yes.
Mom, the rays is so strong that it's thicker than the dogs and cats.
It is not, don't take it a literal meaning, bacha.
Mom, it's an item, I know, Mom.
I know.
Mom,
Idiom.
listen to.
Idiom.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Next is, though closer still the blinds we pull, though closer still the blinds here means the curtains. See, if you're sitting inside and you're troubled with the bright sun rays, what you do is you close the windows, you draw the curtains, you make everything dark. But to keep the shady parlor cool, shady parlor means any place where you're sitting and relaxing, right? With this, it's cool. So you want to keep it cool only. That is why you make it little dark. You draw all the curtains and you just keep it dark and shady. But yet he will find a chink or two. Chink are the space, the blind in between the blinds. We find little gap. So he's saying that between those blinds, the curtains, there will be little space, and from that space also, the sun ray will find a place to come inside, and it appears as if, what is it doing? To sip his golden fingers. The rays are the fingers of the sun. So you try to stop them by putting the curtains, but wherever they find the place, the golden rays will move into that place. So the second stanza, yes, the second stanza means that the sun rays, they don't need so much place to come. Even the smallest of the gap can allow sun rays to come and spread all over. So that means there's another meaning to it, that whenever we are in a problem, it doesn't mean you need big solutions or somebody should give you the entire solution to your problem. Only one advice, only one piece of, yes, bacha. Just let me complete and then I'll take the doubts. Just one piece of advice or one step by your mentors, teachers, friends, it can give you a proper track. It can give you the entire solution to your problem. So even the smallest of the advice, the step, they always matter if you really want to succeed in your life. That's the another meaning here. Otherwise, it is there that God showers everyone. It doesn't matter where you are, you hide somewhere, but his blessings will always find a way to reach you. Yes, now I'll take the doubts. Let me turn on the full screen now. I'll stop sharing my screen. Yes, now let's take on the doubts. Yes, Mahira.
Ma'am, in the poem it is written the empty heaven, but the heaven is not empty.
Here, heaven means something which is very, very far from this earth. So from that earth, from that space, sky, till the earth, it's empty. There is only air, right? But in between, it is empty only. So there is no atmosphere also somewhere. Only when you come closer to the surface of the earth, you get the atmosphere. That is why it is written empty. Yes, Sehaj, you have a doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, what is the meaning of attic of spider clads?
Where?
Attic spider clads meaning.
Beta, we have not
attic
even
spider
reached
clads.
there. We have not even reached there. But since you asked me, I'll tell you, attic is something underground room, basement room of your house. That is called attic. And there is another attic is also, hello? Children, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Attic is something which is there in the basement or a closed almirah, kind of. A closed place where, you don't normally venture into that. And a place where you don't normally go and it is dark, you will find lots of spider webs there. Got it, Sehaj? I'll explain this to you again in the class, but we have done the first two stanzas. I hope they are clear.
No, ma'am.
Who said no?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am,
Sehaj.
or okay, ma'am?
Ma'am, Sehaj.
Is he saying okay, ma'am, or no, ma'am?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Ma'am, the phone is hanging. That's why by mistake I said no, ma'am.
Okay, no worries, no worries. The rest, we are left with 3 stanzas that we'll take on in the class. Children, be prepared with the topic, not with the script. But it should be clear in your mind that I want to speak on this topic. And then we'll have a discussion. We'll have basic discussion on all the topics. Anaya, sit straight, beta. Fine. But I want full participation, children. 1 minute, it is not very difficult to come up and speak. Right? So, since you will be writing the script yourself, it will help you to put in your point of view. You can take help. I'll be there to guide you. But at the end, please write your own point of view, your own thoughts. What happens is when you're standing on the stage in front of so many children in front of the audience, sometimes you tend to forget. You become nervous and you forget your script. But if you have written your own point of view, then it doesn't matter what was there in the script. There and then only you will make up your own points and you can speak. Whenever you do some research, you will read the stuff from the net, from the books, from the magazines, from the newspapers. It will increase your knowledge. With the knowledge, it will make you more confident that if I have to speak for 1 minute, I think I can easily speak on 1 minute. 1 minute or 2 less. That kind of confidence. Children, once we are done with this declamation, we'll have debate also. Then one day I'll have extempore also. Extempore will be, I'll give you a topic, I'll have a ball with chits of different topics. There and then only you'll pick and you'll speak. But for that, Arohi wants to ask something. Lavanya also wants to ask something. Yes, Lavanya? You raise your hands.
Ma'am, in the first paragraph, ma'am, in the first stanza, the third line, ma'am, what does it mean by like blue, ma'am, and in the
And
blue
in the blue
glowing
and glowing days, it is the description of the day which is given. When the sky is totally clear, you find a blue sky.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, glowing means shining. It's the description of the day. That on that particular day when the sky was clear and it was bright and sunny.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Arohi wants to say? You raised your hand, Arohi.
Mom, I was so excited. I already started to write the declamation lines.
Sorry?
Mom, I was so excited. I already started to write the declamation lines.
Very good, very good. Okay, fine. Which is your last period, children?
Computer. Computer.
Okay. So tomorrow we'll have a healthy discussion on the topics of your choice.
Ma'am, see what Harsh is doing.
Where is Harsh? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where's Harsh?
Ma'am, 10C. Just Kumar 10C.
Yes. Harsh is busy. If I'll ask him one question, Harsh, what are you doing? You're all changing the settings and doing, I don't know what all things you're doing. Why are you playing with the settings?
Ma'am, so
He is as if we all are the viewers and he is acting on this big screen. Huh, Harsh?
Harsh. Ma'am, Harsh is laughing.
So let's laugh for last 1 minute.